Hey, I'm Elijah Fox, pianist, producer, and composer, and I'm here with Nord to show you some of the sounds from my signature sound bank for the Nord Wave 2. I think technically when I'm playing, I'm trying to mix between pushing for something new and allowing there room for a new idea to come, but also while holding down and having something to hold on to, whether it's a chord progression or a sound or rhythmic idea, so that there's one element that's kind of searching or pushing for something new, but then there might be a bass line that's holding it down, or vice versa, where it's stagnant but also morphing, basically. I think I made a lot of these sounds for their function in a sort of jam session or recording cook-up context. So I think when I made the sounds, I was basically just thinking of a tone palette that is, some of my favorite analog sounding sounds, mixed with some sounds inspired by Radiohead and Khruangbin that, are able to work in different contexts of improvising and composing. So I think I made a specific palette that can sort of exist as a sonic world. To start out, I'll show you some of the lead sounds I've made. This is the Nimit Lead 4. So it's a classic delayed lead built off a triangle sound, and I've got the delay in analog mode so you can modify the pitch as well with stuff like this. And yeah, it's a lead I like to use, especially when I'm playing with multiple keyboards. A lot of times I'll have leads that are very delayed, and then I can use them as like a transition. So this is another lead I have. This is the Eli Lead 4. You can hear there's quite a long tail on that. Anyway, let's keep going. I've got a couple of guitar sounds. This is the E-Guitar LP number 4. So here we've got another sound built off a classic guitar sound, running it through a tremolo, EQ, delay, and then some reverb. Let's move on to some of the basses. We've got Eli Bass 1. Classic bass sound, got a little bit of drive on that as well. Let's go to another one. This is the Eli M Bass 6. So this is kind of a harsher sound. I've got some reverb on it, which is a little bit unique for bass. Anyway, let's move on. This is Eli's Bass 6. It's a good bass for disco, also has some effects, delay, and reverb. One of my favorite things about the Nord Wave 2 is it also has some excellent piano, electric piano, and string samples. And for this, I created an ambient piano, which is a blend of 2 pianos. So you can layer them here. I've got the Grandma's Upright and the E Piano 4. So I can toggle between. So it's a nice, because you can toggle between those two effects. Then I've also got a classic sine pad. I've got a square pad that I made. I've also got this Infinity EP, which is great for transitions. So for this, I layered a Wurlitzer with some white noise and a sine pad. So there's the white noise. And then you can see the elements there. I've also got this one, which is Eli Barb Q. This last sound is an Infinity EP2, which is also a Wurlitzer, sine, and white noise pad. Thanks for checking out some of these sounds and looking forward to hearing what you create with the Nord Wave 2. I'll see you next time.